Rosie's got some zoomies today. Good morning, the great city of Philadelphia. It is a nice winter morning, and the sky is clear and blue. Today's weather report is 21 degrees right now, high of 31 and a low of, well, 21. We might get snow Sunday, so that's pretty exciting, because that is my day off. Yes. Charging up my GoPro batteries, and I have a night shift tonight, so that should be interestingly fun. It's from 5 to 11 p.m. So that sucks, and yeah. I'm gonna try to knock out some of these videos today. I didn't even honestly touch them since I got back from Minnesota, because I always had new video ideas, so these are kind of just backup ideas. But we're gonna try to do a lot of them today, just because I have the time. I'm gonna go to the gym first, get ready, obviously, and then take a crack at it. So I just filmed a basic essentials for outfit video, and then I just did my desk productivity setup for 2025. So I'm getting a lot of these, trying to get these off my list today. It's pretty gray outside, honestly, today. I don't know if you guys can see this. Rosie's basically the mood setter for today. Yeah.
I knew the situation with carbon blocks. I'm not...
I feel like when I'm by myself and I'm not working or doing anything, I'm just constantly thinking about like the next adventure, the next trip, the next whatever. And then I watch YouTube videos and like live vicariously through people. And I want an exciting life for me, so that I don't have to live vicariously through other people. I could just live my own life, you know. I feel like maybe like a lot of people might feel that way as well. I don't know, I'm not quite sure. I'm not other people, but that's just how I feel when I'm not like doing anything, when I'm just sitting here and I'm just letting my mind wander at 1,000,000 miles a minute. Just, even my mind is trying to escape. So something that I like to do when I've made like 2 YouTube videos, working on my 3rd, I get bored of doing that, so I like to switch it up, and I like to do stuff that makes me happy. So something that makes me happy is plugging in my old hard drive and just making shorts off of it, which means I have to relive some of like my best memories, and then I just remake them into shorts. So that's what I'm gonna be doing. I have 3 different songs picked out, and I want to make 3 different shorts. So that's what I'm doing right now, making shorts to relive my highlights of my life, basically. I don't know, it's just something that I like to do. Nostalgia likes to get the best out of me, and this is how they do it. Second coffee of the day, because I have a late night shift, so I gotta stay awake. However, instead of drinking coffee, maybe I should take a nap, but sometimes I feel worse after I take a nap, so I'm just not gonna do that. Yep, that's nice. All right, what movie should we watch? So I feel like I never have time to watch a movie because I'm always, you know, working on YouTube stuff and everything. But today I have time, so I'm gonna watch a movie. Yeah. Watching the Squid Games too. And Haley told me that she sees snow. And it's snowing outside and whoa. It definitely is. I don't even know where all this came from, but yeah, it's indeed snowing. Check it out. It's like sunny, but then it's also like snowing. It's not sticking though, it's like, it's just wet snow. Still pretty cool though. Sure is freezing out here. That was a nice little flurry surprise today. Yeah.
The two of you like games, right? We're gonna play a little. Just take one hand back, go on and keep beating the spin. Then I aim at the
It's so beautiful to look at.
on
I love when it snows. Oh.
I'm ready if you are. Let's play.
This is editing Lauren. So I wanted to update everybody on like the drugs that I keep seeing around the city. And like I want to talk about it because I want it to be known that like literally every city has these kind of things, like especially bigger ones. It's an issue anywhere really. But I wanted to let everybody know what it was. So it's called xylazine, and basically what it is, it's like it's a tranquilizing drug. So depending on the amount, you can sleep for like 8 or plus hours depending on the dose. I just wanted to inform everybody what it is because, you know, just to be aware of things. Because, you know, the more aware you are, the smarter you are. Maybe that's just me. But yeah, so like if you see that, that's what it is. It's like a growing issue is what I'm reading online at least right now. But yeah, so that's what it is. It's not like heroin or anything. It's just, I mean, not good still, but you know, that's what it is. So yeah, okay, back to the video. Y'all already know I had to come out here in the snow. It's like a fancy garage. that was fun. I feel like every time it snows or whatever, I have to go outside. 3:28. Yeah, just a regular day in the life of a part-timer. Basically living alone in Philly. Probably could use another haircut sometime soon. But I cut it myself, so I don't really feel like it. Gonna make some dinner because I gotta leave early. When Hales comes home, dinner will be made. Still snowing, but we is cooking up a feast. Sure is cooking it. It's the masterpiece. Both of them. I got a helmet now. This is all snow. I'm riding on pure snow right now. Isn't that something?